are cute. Aww, the church gave it for me. Oh, hi guys. My name is Julia. I'm 8 years old. Maybe like this? Okay. So, today I got a rose. Look at this. So good, right? It grows from my garden up. And it's beautiful, as I thought. And it's much more beautiful than I thought too. And talk about roses, I want to tell you a story about the Princess Rose and the Princess Rose and the Golden Bird. Let's start! Once upon a time, there was a princess who loved roses so much. So the village named her Princess Rose. She lived in a castle of her father and her mother. The kids, everyone loves her except the evil witch. The children every day bought flowers for her. One child have red one child have yellow one, and one child have white one. The witch was not happy about that. She said, "The princess is so good, very nice and very good. I hate her. I'm soon poisoning for her." And then she said that upper the duck stuck in the pot left with white hair. And then here became black, like tar. And the bird, and when the bird fell for the princess, everyone fall asleep but have a bad dream. And then the princess asked the bird for help of the solution. And the bird said, "Black water, black hair in rose water." And then the princess was very surprised and then tried that way. And when she dipped some like roses into a pot of water, she had red hair again, and everyone had have a good dream again. One day there was a prince king, and that was Rose's friends. And the princess has been a magic black hair again, and everyone have a bad dream again. But there's no more rose because the witch has taken all the rose away. One day, that friends came and took a strip red hair into her tear and gave it to her. And then the good friend tell the truth. I and Rose have picked a strand of hair of each other to make a gift. And then Rose take the box out, and it is a straight hair of the good friend. And of that, they marry each other, and the spell of the witch is broken. And then they put it into it, so the hair is red again. And the evil witch has broke into many small pieces. Do you like this story? If you like, write in the comments below. Thanks and goodbye.